meant to be broken. Take me to where the mountains can kill. People are free and time stands still. Whatever makes my heart come to life or fall apart.
Alright guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday and everybody is over. A few people couldn't come and here's what Mark's doing.
Yep. So we'll
Are you having fun?
Yep.
He's watching football and of course he's watching his Bears. There's Mr. Say hi. He said hi. Say hi. So they are all swimming. I'm gonna give them some cameras here in a bit. And this is what they're doing. Ta-da! And she won't get her hair wet because it'll get curly.
Down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? Way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. Never cash bells, I just wanted him to lose. What's the category, and I just never fall out. I just Fruit. And I don't know why.
I'll admit, you got money, you got stuff, you got two such a hot. You ain't thankful for your fans, it's kind of funny.
There's no concern in making any money. It starts with the talent, and it's hard when you got none. I think you're kind of slow because I'm the favorite. I'm the favorite I could get. Okay, let's go. Let's go. You can go.
It's a little money.
No. Let's go.
Team.
You forgot. Why don't we? Those country
It was not Jake, that's Logan. He's related to Logan Paul. Oh. We told you 12 times. The first that you put.
Hey Karen, how you doing today? Guess who's walking? Oh.
No.
Where are you going? Circles? Yeah. What? Are you on the phone? What is that? Is that you? That you? Say hi. What? Shark? Star? What are you gonna do?
You have to think of something and you have to describe it without saying the name. And then you say star when you know what he's describing. It's like a show, a movie, or a song. And then
Oh, hold on.
it was
The person that moves?
The person that gets to me first and tags me and says it like.
Oh.
Alright, go.
Okay. This is.
It's too hot outside and cold inside. It's fogging my camera.
Let me think. I can't think of it. Okay, this is also an old show. Not really old, but kind of old. And it's not a cartoon. And it's about a boy and some of his family and his friends. And it's now another series on Disney Channel about a girl.
I don't know. Where's your foot? Boy Meets World.
Yeah.
What is it?
Boy Meets World.
Start it!
Oh, I was thinking about Girl Meets World.
Wasn't it Boy Meets
Are you not playing, Madison?
No.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know any of these.
You don't watch TV? Because you play softball too much?
And I watch too much YouTube.
Oh.
They do these on the 4th of July.
Start.
That's not Katy Perry! Yeah. Hurry up.
I can't help me.
Fireworks. So guys, everybody is gone. Everybody has left the house. Madison, I don't think you've actually seen her in one of the vlogs when we went to the mall, and then also at the fair. She did say hi. So we did meet at the fair and like we've been talking since. So I just asked her to come over, and she actually didn't have softball, so she was allowed to come over today. And then we swam, Kaz and Chloe, Emma and So. So that's who came over to the house, if you did not know their names. And it was super fun. We were playing, well, to me it's called class. It's like where you do a trick and then someone adds on, and then you have to keep, like, you have to do the trick, but they played it different. I was like, okay, I'm used to this, but we call it different back in Indiana. So then we did that, and then we swam for a little bit, and then we came inside. Everybody left. We wanted to go to Dairy Queen. All the girls, we were all like, DQ, DQ, and it didn't happen because they had to go pick up some groceries, and then they had to finish finishing a cake because So did not just left from a party. So right now we are cooking dinner because it is 6:23, and mommy is like chef over here right now. She got some potatoes going, got ham and beans. I don't know what our plans are. I just know we're not leaving because we do have school tomorrow. Ellie is sitting over here watching videos, eating a buffet over here. She got gushers of fruit roll up, Cheetos and chips, other chips.
There's not much chips in here. There's only like 10 chips in here.
We got Stitchy. Stitch and Zoe were put up this whole entire time, and they were so disappointed that they did not get to lick or be petted by them, by the people. So they're kind of sad. But I was just upstairs making musical.lys. I already got them all posted. I'm like, whoa. Tomorrow is Monday, and then I mean it's just like a regular week over and over again. But I like, okay, so every time we go swimming, like our pool is like filled with chlorine. I don't know how to say that word. And it just makes my eyes hurt. So Corinne, the little girl with the curly black hair, I can't see because it was like, her eyes were like really, really, really red. And it was just like, I'm like, Corinne, can you not see? And she's like, yeah, I can see, but it's just like, everything's foggy. I'm just like, I feel you, girl, because every time it happens to me too. All right, guys. We decided to leave the house, and we told Ellie she could get ice cream yesterday at a place, and we ran out of time. So we stopped at, what's it called?
Twisty Treat.
Twisty Treat. What'd you get, Elle?
Strawberry and vanilla. Their ice cream tastes like funny than the ones like.
It don't taste like Lake Rudolph?
Yeah. Like,
Emma, what'd you get? Turn your light on.
like
I
Emma's
didn't
black,
get anything. What'd you get?
I got
black cherry. Is it good?
Yeah.
Does it taste like
It tastes more like actual black cherry than it did at
Lake Rudolph?
yeah.
Yeah, Lake Rudolph. I like Lake Rudolph's black cherry. When I tried hers at Lake Rudolph, I like Lake Rudolph's black cherry better. But that
What'd you
was so
get,
good.
Mark?
Nothing.
Why?
I don't know, it's too hot.
Are you jelly of the girl that just got
Yeah.
me? Oh, some girl just got in a Jeep. A young girl too. It must be family's Jeep. And there it is. Mark's a little jelly of the Jeep.
I asked you, you said you didn't like it.
It's not tall enough.
I didn't get any ice cream either.
No.
I can't eat dairy. That makes my belly hurt. Alright guys, so a lot of you have been asking for us to take you shelling when we go shelling. So we decided to stop real quick out imaging and show you what we do. The tide is really high right now, so I don't know if we're gonna find anything, but we'll show you. We are at Pasta Grill.
Mommy, there isn't anything.
And the waves are pretty high because of all the storms. But
I can't reach for anything because I haven't cut the universe.
we just look for shells. See, like here's a sand dollar, but he's broke. Maybe you see it. There's half of a sand dollar.
Put your light on red, Mommy.
Your dad has red. Oh, look at that shark. He's dead.
Cupid, like, look
I think it's a shark.
I found your dad, Emma.
Is that a shark?
That's your dad. Look.
Huh? No. Oh, that's cool.
You seen one like that?
That's what Mark just found.
Was a benefit.
Yes, it's broke. Here, Emma, you take the bag. Open it. Are you struggling with no pony? Did you shave it? She's already gone. So, Mark chases Emma with stuff. That's kind of what we do. You just look for shells. See, like, these storms have turned these suckers up here. Look at that. All those barnacles on these shells. These shells are from pretty deep. Pretty deep. So, for all of you that want to know how we go shelling at night, this is how we do it. And then I also have a scooper, which I don't know, maybe over there I'll be able to show you how we use the scooper. Lots of sand dollar pieces, that's for sure. Lots of. So these storms must be. Huh? Oh, I forgot to put it on. These storms must be really turning up shells. That's an old one. Oh, look at that big sand dollar. That's an oldie. Huh? That's a big woke piece. That would have been a nice shell. But they're all broke. They're all beat up. Sorry about the wind. I forgot to put the wind thingy on it. And you're done. And you see what you can find. There's an old olive. Nothing. You just come out here, try not to get soaked, and get a scoop. And then you dump it. And you see if there's any good shells in it. I mean, look at this. These shells have been in here for a long time. That's a, let's see, crown conch. See if it'll clean up. He's got hairs. There's the sundial. Oh, looky. Here's these. It's so hard to film this. There's a shark eye. There you go. These are, we collect these. That is a shark eye. Pretty cool. I didn't see that in the pile. Got a shark eye. These are olives. There's another one. We collect augers. These are conch shells. We don't collect those anymore. We have too many. Here's whelks. That's what we collect. Nice catch, Mark. Nice catch. Some augers. There's one hairy auger. Burrow. I'll have to show you these when we clean them up.
What, Ellie?
A cone. Here's a cone. Aw, my favorite, but it's broke. What? This old crusty shark eye. Alright, so we got banded tulip we just found. Then another banded tulip. A shark's eye that Emma picked up. Well, the beach is being good tonight. Here's a cool design one. Look at Mr. Crab. Help me! You're free to go, buddy. So we got a lot. Did we get a lot, Mark? Yep, true. So we have to go because the girls have to go to school. And if you didn't see the lightning behind me.
Oh, funny snap.
So, yeah, the storm's coming. You can see it's dark behind us. Oh! Yep. So, anyways, we're gonna head to the car. We will film when we get home, and we'll show you what we got. But I know, like I said, a lot of you have been asking what we do when we go shelling at night, so now you have an understanding. These two just stay up here. Emma gives up.
Okay, like, I do it for like the first 15 minutes and then I get tired of bending my back over and stuff, so I just...
She's 13 years old and lazy. That's all I can say. And then Ellie just sits on her phone and sits on her blanket that Emma has. And did you grab the shells? See? Shoot. Whoa! Anyways, come on, we gotta go before we get struck by lightning. All right, guys, so we got home and here's our shells. I put them in bleach water. We got a whelk, a big whelk. He's holy, not the best, but
It'll work outside.
yep. We put them outside if they're really gross. Another whelk, a better whelk is a pear whelk. We got some coral. These are called lightning rods. More whelk. Got lots of whelks. That's a nice one. There's another. It's a pear whelk. I don't know how to clean up, but we'll see. All right, this lightning rod is cool. It's like different, see-through. So there's all that. Shark eye, pear whelk, more lightning rods, augers. These are all of our olives we found, which we're gonna have to stop collecting or get a new jar because mine's full. Coral.
Okay guys, so today's question of the day that we are answering is, okay, so what I like about this comment is that it's actually, it's a good thing to do for a teenager. I mean, pretty much your school is pretty much your career and your future, like she said. So you should always pay attention in school and try to do your best and always try to get above a C or even above a B. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And today's question of the day is, what makes you feel complacent? So complacent means showing smug or unchristical, I don't know what that word is, satisfaction with oneself or one's achievement. So it's like what makes you feel like achieved in life. So what makes me feel truly achieved in life is when I get a new tumbling skill, when I get good grades, and when I make new friends. Because I feel achieved when I make friends, because I'm so shy. It's really hard to make friends, you know? Yeah. So anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!